Brain Titans Quest. It's quiz time! You have just 10 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. What is a baby rabbit called? The answer is A. Kit. Rabbit kits are born hairless, blind, and deaf, and remain in their nest for about 3 weeks before emerging fully furred. Question 2. What do you call a baby lion? The answer is A. Cub. Baby lions or cubs are born blind and rely on their mother for food and protection until they grow stronger. Question 3. What is a baby kangaroo called? The answer is B. Joey. Baby kangaroos, called joeys, are only 1 inch long at birth. After birth, they climb into their mother's pouch and stay there for 6 months to grow. Question 4. What is a baby owl called? The answer is B. Owlet. Owlets are born blind, but by 3 weeks old, they can swallow a small mouse whole. Question 5. What is a baby goose called? The answer is B. Gosling. Goslings are covered with soft feathers called down. At just 1 day old, they can dive 30 to 40 feet underwater. Question 6. What do you call a baby turkey? The answer is A. Poult. A baby turkey is commonly called a poult, while wild baby turkeys are often referred to as chicks. Question 7. What is the name for a baby alligator? The answer is A. Hatchling. Alligator hatchlings are born from eggs and are often protected by their mother for several months. Question 8. What is a baby camel called? The answer is A. Calf. Camel calves can stand and walk just hours after birth and have thick, woolly coats to protect them from the desert heat. Question 9. What do you call a baby shark? The answer is B. Pup. Shark pups are born fully formed and can swim away immediately to avoid predators, even from their own kind. Question 10. What is the name for a baby bat? The answer is A. Pup. Most bats give birth to a single pup, which is born hairless, blind, and completely dependent on its mother to survive. Follow us on Brain Titans Quest for a variety of quizzes featuring quick-fire challenges, picture mysteries, and quiz time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next quiz adventure.